21 Positive Morning Thoughts. Are you feeling inspired? It's not easy to train your mind out of old habits, so to give you a helping hand, here are 21 positive morning thoughts that can help get you in the right frame of mind each. 1. Thank you for this gift of a whole new day. I am grateful. 2. How can I best serve the universe today? 3. Amazing things happen to me every single day. 4. I am excited to see what happens today. 5. I dedicate a day to love and kindness. 6. I am going to give this day my very best, so that I may rest my head with deep satisfaction tonight. 7. I have everything that I need right in this moment. 8. I deeply and completely love and accept myself. 9. I will honor myself by showing up powerfully in my life today. 10. Love, joy and peace are my natural state. 11. Today is dedicated to fun. 12. I see the world with grateful eyes, and it fills my soul. 13. I will listen to my inner voice today and allow it to guide me. 14. Life is easy. I let go and go with the flow. 15. I am here to be my own unique expression of consciousness. 16. Let me make the world a better place by shining my light today. 17. I have all the time that I need to do everything I want to do. 18. I will make time to touch base with the present moment all throughout today. 19. My life is a miracle. 20. I see the world through eyes of awe and wonder. 21. I carry peace and stillness in my heart as I go about my daily activities. Please like and subscribe my channel and don't forget to click bell icon. Love from Archangels Creations.